thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Anna and this is Anna's Aqua Home. I'm actually wearing the project that we're going to be making today. We're going to be appliquing hearts on the elbows and on the front of this sweater. It's just a plain sweater. It is so nice and comfy, but I thought I would add some decoration and an applique. I'm going to show you how I hand applique these hearts on here. So thanks for stopping by and I hope you enjoyed the video. To start, I gathered all of my material. I have a large heart template that I printed out just on regular computer paper, designed it in Word, just a heart that I blew up to the size I wanted, and then I have a stencil of a smaller heart. So I'm going to be using both of those, and then a sweater that I thrifted. This sweater is so soft. I absolutely love it. And doesn't have any decorations, so it makes the perfect canvas for us to do some appliquing on. Once I go ahead and cut my heart out, I'm going to go ahead and cut one large heart and then two smaller hearts. Give it a quick iron and you're ready to start sewing. Now to applique, we're going to make sure that we only go through one layer of fabric. So make sure you're not going through both, just one layer, and then what you're going to do is fold it over about 1/4 of an inch all the way around as you go. So fold it over about 1/4 of an inch and then start sewing. You're going to want to sew as close to the edge as you possibly can. Close to the edge, and then you're going to come up through your applique fabric and then down through the sweater, nice and close to where you came in. Go over a little bit and come out. This little tail we're going to tuck underneath there. So we've got our first stitch, and then for our next one we're going to fold under 1/4 of an inch, and we're just going to keep folding under 1/4 of an inch as we go around the entire heart. If you want, you can go ahead and fold it under and pin all the way around, or you can just fold and pin as you go. Don't pull too tight or else you'll get puckers here. If you do that, just smooth it out. I went ahead and pinned it down the rest of the way to see how that worked, and that has been working much better. I'm able to move much quicker by just going ahead, folding it all, pinning it, and then now I can just focus on sewing all of it. So definitely a tip, go ahead and pin it all down. To finish the applique, you're going to thread the needle to the inside of your sweater so that when you tie the knot, you won't see it. So to do a knot, you're going to do one stitch, and before you pull it tight, you're going to put your needle through the loop that's there and then pull it tight so that the loop tightens over the thread that you put through there. So you're going to do that 3 times right on top of each other, and then you are done. Doing the 3 loop knot will hold it nice and secure, and on the inside you won't see it. Now you've completed your big heart, you can move on to the 2 small little hearts on the elbows. I didn't film this, but you would complete the same steps that you did with the larger heart. I love how this turned out. I'll go up a little bit so you can see that, and then I did the cute little arm patches. Those turned out so cute as well. I just absolutely love the matching. I thought this fabric went with it really well. And now this plain sweater just has a little bit of decoration. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn to hand applique, or if you have a plain sweater that you want to dress up a little bit, I hope you consider doing this. You could do so many different shapes, so many different designs, but I definitely started with this one, and I really like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.